Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes without a cupcake tray, easy method. Preheat the oven, mix a smooth batter, and line a baking sheet with parchment. Fold parchment into small cups or use foil to form molds, or place silicone liners directly on the sheet. Spoon batter into each mold, keeping portions even, and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool before decorating. To make reliable molds, cut parchment into squares and pinch the centers to form a cup-like shape, or roll foil into small cylinders and press a liner inside for stability. Silicone liners are ideal because they keep shape on a flat sheet with no tray. Keep molds evenly spaced and use an ice cream scoop for consistent batter portions. Watch baking times closely as trayless setups can brown edges. Trayless cupcakes can bake slightly faster, so begin checking with a toothpick a few minutes early to prevent overbaking. Rotate the baking sheet halfway through to promote even coloring, and watch for doming that signals readiness. After cooling, allow cupcakes to set fully before peeling liners to keep edges intact. If edges brown too quickly, lower the temperature by 10 to 15 degrees and extend bake time slightly for gentler, even cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.